folks, I'm going to tell you 5 quick facts about black bull markets. Now, did you know, number 1, they're New Zealand FMA regulated. Number 2, did you know they have a copy trading service where you can either be a signal provider or copy signals? And number 3, did you know they've got over 26,000 tradable assets, including Forex, crypto, stocks, indices, and even more? And number 4, did you know they offer 500 to 1 leverage? And number 5, if you open up an account today and trade 1 lot a month, they're going to give you TradingView Pro for free. Check them out, Black Bull Markets.
What's up, everybody? What's up, guys? Hope everyone is well. Can you guys hear me? Just want to make sure everyone can hear me. Just give me a thumbs up in the comments, please. Cool. So let's get started. So there's a couple of pairs that I'll be looking at this week. Not a lot of news this week, which is good. So let's just hope price just respects price action, and let's hope we can take advantage of some setups. Just a reminder, guys, that these are just potential plays in the market. Please do your own analysis before jumping into anything. And yeah, let's get cracking. So let's start off with USDJPY. So USDJPY currently already in, right? This is a daily time frame setup that I've seen. As you guys can see, there's a lot of bullish momentum on this pair. Price had come down to a very nice support, psychological level of 149,500, and price has started to pick up from this area. I do believe that price will at least reach that previous high, which is around that 0 here. That's where I take out partial profits. If anyone is in these trades of in any USDJPY pairs trades, I'll just suggest moving stop loss to entry, as we do have a very bearish close on the dollar itself last week. So now that we entered at the bottom, risk-free trade, and price could definitely push up to reach a new high. Well, that's what I'm looking at on USDJPY. USD CAD, very similar to what I just went over on USDJPY. I'm currently not in this. USDCHF. Here, I sent this out to my signal group. So let's just have a look at the daily time frame, guys. So daily time frame, if you just switch on to the daily time frame, you guys can see we are very, very bullish as price did break out of this channel that we've seen here, right? And price has pushed above and created a new higher high. We've taken out these highs, right? Now, ideally, I would have wanted to see price come down to this area here, which is the 0.89750. However, price did not come down here. Price found support here at this previous area here, and price has started to pick up. Now, I'll switch on to my 4-hour time frame, right? 4-hour time frame, and I noticed that price has started creating bullish structure, right? Meaning that price pushed up and has taken out these highs. And if I use my flip from my previous low to the high, I find that price did come to a nice psychological level and give me some nice candlestick confirmation for us to take the buy to push to the upside. Now, if you look at our previous 4-hour candle, it closed above a nice strong support, right? Even though it is a doji, right? The fact that it closed above the support is really good. And you can see that we are starting to push up just a little bit. I'm just going to keep monitoring this here. I would like to see price remain above the 0.90000. As long as price remains above that, we should be fine. If I do get a nice push, or if this candlestick, this 4-hour candlestick here closes above this here, I'll just maybe move my stop loss to entry and just try to run a risk-free trade on this here. However, I'll just keep monitoring those that are in my FTMO group. I will keep you guys updated on this. But overall, higher time frames bullish, 4-hour time frames bullish as well. So it does look good. The only concern I have is just basically the dollar, which I'm not going to go into now. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at on USDCHF. Cool. GBP pairs, let's just go over GBPUSD. So this looks like a really nice setup that I want to take advantage of. Price has been creating nice higher highs and higher lows, right? So we got a low, we got that high, we got that low, we had that huge rally to the upside, right? So what I want to see is I want to see price come down. I want to see a nice retracement. Now, I don't counter trend trade, meaning I don't trade against what price is doing. So if price is pushing to the upside, I'll wait for my buy, right? So I just use my foot from the low to the high, and I see we have a very nice support here, right? You guys can see price has respected it multiple times. You see it's respected there as a support, here as a resistance, here as a resistance as well. So I'd like to see price retrace into this area here, get a nice rejection from this here before going long to reach new highs on GBPUSD. So setup would look something like so. Take profit around that -27, basically targeting a new higher high. That's what I'd like to see. Hopefully, if price comes to that area, maybe just add an alert and just monitor how price is behaving at that area before jumping in. Any questions on this, guys? Cool. GBPJPY, as you guys can see, very nice bullish. Price is creating new highs, taking out all the previous highs. Very similar to what I'm looking at on GBPUSD. Price is creating these nice high highs, higher lows. So I have a low, I have a nice high here. I want to see a nice retracement to this area of 1837.50. Right now, pay attention to this because this could definitely be a very good entry. Right, as you guys can see, we have a rejection at that area here. Right, we have a nice rejection here as well. Right now, FUB level is lining up very nicely with that as well. So if we do come here and we see a nice rejection, we know how strong this price is of 1837.50. There's a very high possibility that price will push up to the upside. So definitely add an alert on this here, wait for candlestick confirmation, and then look to jump in on this here. Definitely something that I'm looking forward to. It's very similar to GBPUSD. Yes, someone has a question. You can ask me a question. Justin. I think, how do you say? Yes, I do not counter trend trade, meaning if price is bullish, I'd wait for a buy, opposed to taking a sell. Reason being, with them, I like to personally trade with momentum. I don't like to trade against what momentum is doing, which is why you find that I won't take a trade every single day. I know when to trade and I know when not to trade. I wait for price to come to where I'm comfortable at entering in the direction that the market is moving at holistically. Theo, will I provide signals? If you are in my signal group, yes, I will provide signals. If you are in my FTMO group, I'll update, provide signals and stuff. You guys know what we do there. Cool, patience is your problem. Yeah, try and be patient with your trades, guys. You don't have to trade every day. The less you trade, the more you'll make, because you'll eventually find yourself taking trades that are very high probability trades, opposed to just taking anything that you see and trying to take advantage of everything, every movement. You can't trade every single movement in the market. You have to know when to sit out and wait, and when to enter and when to leave. So yeah, hope that has helped. Cool. Moving on, GA. What did I say? Okay, so GA, guys, very nice bearish structure here, right? You guys can see nice bearish structure. I have this area here, right? However, price didn't react to it very, very well in the past, right? I don't see very nice, clean reactions here. Let's just do this. If I have to just bring this up to this area here, I think there's a bit more reactions here at that 750 area, but here I'd wait for my daily time frame close, guys. Just because, what did I see here? Yeah, just because I see that huge bullish candle there, so I'd wait for daily close on this here. But definitely, if I had to take this here, I'd be looking out for sells, just because of structure. As long as price doesn't break this area here, I'll be definitely looking for selling opportunities on this here. As you can see, that support area that I've plotted, price did react to it in the past. Here. See a nice doji candle there as well. So price could definitely roll over, come down to create a new lower low. You guys can look at that, take it if you want, but just remember, choose proper risk management. Remember, guys, most of the analysis I'm doing is on a higher time frame. Don't go be selling on a high lot size on a lower time frame. I do not trade 1 minute and 2 minute time frames. I look at the overall bias in the higher time frame, and I prefer to trade that right there. I just find that I take a lot less losses that way, because the higher time frame tells less noise. And yeah, that's basically how I trade. You can trade however you like to. How much is the FTMO group? The FTMO group is 10,000 Rand. There's 2 spots available at 60% off, which is 4,000 Rand. So yeah. Moving on, GBP. Okay, GBPCHF, very similar to what we just went over here. This is very, very nice. In fact, I wanted to enter this today. I just didn't like the close of yesterday's candle, which is why I didn't enter. Because if you look at yesterday's close, it closed above that support, right? However, very nice shorts here. What I'll be looking at here on my lower time frame is I'll be looking out for break of structure by lower time frame to turn bearish, and we'll definitely ride the sells going down. Those are in the FTMO group. Yeah, we'll speak about this evening in our meeting, but we definitely can take advantage of this pair. This pair moves really, really nice, and once it gets going, it runs, which is really good. So we'll discuss this evening, those that are on my groups. But yeah, overall, bearish trade. Look out for nice sells here. Ideally, maybe wait for the daily to close. Make sure the daily closes below that resistance, and then yeah, definitely look at taking advantage of this. Okay, moving along. I think that's all the GBP pairs. I had some Euro pairs I was looking at. So Euro USD, very similar to GBP. Very similar to GBP USD. Prices pushing up, creating these nice higher highs. So we're currently pulling down for a retracement, which is what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for price to come to this area. Very nice resistance. Now turn into a support as price is above it. When I see price come into this area, give me some nice rejection, and then I'd look to go long. Another confluence could be this here. Those that like trend lines could add that as an extra confluence. So definitely something to look out for. And hopefully we can get in this week. But yeah, definitely pay attention to this here. Wait for nice confirmation, and you guys could definitely take advantage of these longs. Euro AUD. So Euro AUD. What did I say? Oh, so Euro AUD, guys, definitely nice sells here. You see structure, we had that high, came down, didn't break structure, however, price pushed down, broke structure here, right? Where we currently is under a decent area, right? If you have a look here, price has respected this as well. Very nice support here. Support, resistance. So price is currently under it. We're struggling to break it. So you definitely can go short, target these lower lows on this here. Very nice setup. Those are trend lines as well. You guys can see there's a nice break here. Nice break of this trend line here. I don't really use trend lines. I just add it as an extra confluence. However, very nice setup here on Euro AUD. You guys can take advantage of. Just manage your risk as stop loss ideally has to be above that previous high. So yeah, if you do take this here, just make sure you manage your risk and your lot size, etc. I think the last one was Euro. What is this? What the fuck was that? The last one was Euro CHF. Right, very nice setup on EURUSD. Very similar to the GBPCHF. Very nice area here. Price is rejected Friday, Monday, and it looks like we're going to get a nice bearish engulfing on the daily close. I think if we get a nice bearish engulfing, we can definitely look out for sales on the lower time frame. I just don't want to send this out to the single group because it's a higher time frame, but I'll go down as the week progresses and I look out for potential sales as we try to get in this year. And even if our first target on our lower time frame is around this area here, that's enough pops. Let me just go into my lower time frame. So yeah, we are creating nice lower lows on our 1 hour time frame. So just wait out and try to write it down. And maybe if this is your first target, that's more than enough. So yeah, definitely something that we can take advantage of. And yeah, that's basically all I was looking at, guys. I'm not gonna go over any indices or gold for now. I'll have a look at that tomorrow. I'm just focusing on my currencies this week. Is there any questions? Does anyone have anything they need to ask me? Nope, seems like everyone is sharp. Cool. So that's all for me, guys. Hope this has helped you. If you guys want to get involved in our community or our channels, you guys can message me on Instagram, which is Marcillino_Fx. And yeah, hope you guys have a profitable week, and I'll catch you guys later on in the week. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Goodbye.